It was a dark evening, the moon hanging low, fog rolling over the grass. Bluey walked slowly, eyes wide, carrying a flashlight. Every sound made her shiver. Then, rustle. From behind the tree, a shadow appeared. Could it be real? Bingo gasped, pointing with a trembling paw. Bluey, something's moving. The ground crunched, the fog shifted, and out stepped a strange figure. It looked like Bluey, but different. Greenish fur, arms stiff, steps slow. Everyone froze. Could Bluey have turned into a zombie? The friends screamed, Rusty and Lucky hiding behind the bench, Muffin clinging to socks. Bandit and Chilli rushed forward, but even they looked uneasy. That's not normal, Bandit muttered. The zombie Bluey groaned, dragging her feet, eyes glowing faint. Could it still be the Bluey they loved? Bingo's heart raced. Bluey! Is that you? She shouted. For a second, the zombie stopped, head turning slowly. Silence filled the park, only the sound of the wind. Then, Bluey smiled faint, crooked, but it was still her smile. Could the zombie form hide her true self inside? The kids gathered courage. Muffin stepped closer. Maybe she just needs help, she said. Zombie Bluey stretched out her paw, not attacking, but reaching gently. Everyone gasped. Bingo held her sister's paw, and suddenly, the glow in her eyes softened. The zombie groan turned into laughter, low but familiar. Could friendship break even the strangest curse? The fog swirled stronger, as if testing their bravery. Zombie Bluey raised her arms, not to scare, but to shield. Lightning struck nearby, yet none of them felt afraid anymore. She's protecting us, Rusty shouted. The fear melted into wonder. Even in zombie form, Bluey was still Bluey. Could love turn even monsters into heroes? Finally, the fog lifted, the moonlight bright and gentle. The zombie features faded, fur glowing back to normal. Bluey blinked, smiling wide. Did I scare you? She teased. Everyone burst into laughter, hugging her tight. The adventure became a memory they'd never forget. And Bluey grinned at the camera, whispering, if you had fun tonight, hit like, tap subscribe, and stay with me for more spooky adventures.